Hello, in front of me I've got T-MOBILE Revvl 6 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet, tap Add to Wallet and focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transit Pass and select the Transit Pass you would like to add to your Google Wallet account. Then you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. In the end, you can add gift card, similar to loyalty card, select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and then tap Add to Wallet. And that's it. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.